Hello everyone, this is Dr. Praveen Verma from ADARSH VIDYA MANDIR, Mount Abu. Students, today I will discuss about the surface phenomena, or surface chemistry. Actually, surface chemistry is branch of chemistry which deals with the study of what surface phenomena like adsorption, colloid formation and catalysis. So first one, that is what adsorption. Now, what is adsorption? You can say adsorption is a surface phenomena in which there is increase in the concentration of the molecules on the surface of the substance. So actually we have two substances here. One substance actually which is adsorbed, that is called as adsorbate, and the other substance which adsorb is called adsorbent. So you can understand easily that there are two terms, adsorbent and adsorbate. So the substance which adsorbs the molecules of other substance on surface is called adsorbent, and the substance which is adsorbed on the surface of other substance is called adsorbate. For example, suppose we have the silica gel and the moisture is adsorbed or water vapor is adsorbed. So silica gel is adsorbent and the vapor or moisture is what? Adsorbate. Now next, types of adsorption. There are two types of adsorption: physical adsorption and chemical adsorption. Now first, what is physical adsorption? It is adsorption actually in which weak van der Waals force of attractions, or you can say that weak bonds are involved. So the first point, we are discussing the difference. So in physical adsorption there is weak van der Waals force of attraction between adsorbate and adsorbate. But in chemical adsorption there is formation of what? Chemical bond between adsorbent and adsorbate. So actually there are more stronger force in what? Chemical adsorption. Second point, actually as I told you that there are weak van der Waals force of attraction between adsorbate and adsorbent in physical adsorption. So it is a reversible process. It means you can separate the adsorbent from adsorbate easily. So it is what? Reversible. But the chemical adsorption, that is what? Irreversible. Now next point, effect of pressure. If we see the effect of pressure in physical adsorption, if we increase the pressure, there is increase in the physical adsorption, because when we increase the pressure, there is increase in the weak van der Waals force of attraction between the what? Molecules. But in chemical adsorption, there is no effect of pressure. Now next, effect of temperature. As we increase the temperature, the physical adsorption decreases. The rate of physical adsorption decreases. Why? Because as we increase the temperature, the kinetic energy of the molecules increases. So the adsorbate molecules leave the surface. So there is decrease in the rate of adsorption of what? Physical. Now next, in chemical, as we increase the temperature, there is increase in the chemical adsorption. Okay, because they require what? Energy for bond formation. So as we increase the temperature, the chemical adsorption increases. Now next, in physical, there is no need of activation energy, because two bond is not formed here. But there is requirement of what? Requirement of activation energy in chemical adsorption, as chemical bond is formed there. Now next point, enthalpy of adsorption is low in physical adsorption, as there is there is what? Weak van der Waals force of attraction between adsorbate and adsorbent. But the heat of adsorption or enthalpy of adsorption is high in chemical adsorption. Now next point, in physical adsorption, it is what? Multi-layered. Different layer may be formed over each other due to van der Waals force of attraction. But chemical adsorption, it is what? Single layered. Okay. Now next point, the physical adsorption is not specific. You know that there is formation of weak van der Waals force of attraction between any substance. There is possibility of formation of van der Waals force of attraction. But chemical adsorption, it is specific, because actually here chemical bond is formed. So the formation of bond is formed only between specific substances. Okay, so that is specific. Now next, if you see the example, if CO2 gas is adsorbed on the surface of charcoal, that is example of what? Physical adsorption. but the H2 gas adsorbed on the surface of nickel metal. That is example of chemical adsorption. This topic is finished. We will continue next topic in next period. Thank you.